हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 35 इंटरसेक्शंस। इंटरसेक्शंस क्या हैं? बेसिकली हम एक वर्ड पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रोक इसमें लेते हैं किसी वर्ड पर्टिकुलर वर्ड के लिए, उसको हम इंटरसेक्ट कर देते हैं रिलेटेड आउटलाइन पे। ठीक है, तो हम पढ़ते हैं द यूज ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, द मेथड ऑफ इंटरसेक्टिंग और राइटिंग वन स्ट्रोक थ्रू अनदर is utilized for the brief, distinctive, and rapid indication of official titles of persons or associations of various kinds and of frequently occurring colloquial phrases, etc. When intersection is impracticable, the method of writing one stroke is close proximity to another is adopted. ठीक है, जहाँ पर इंटरसेक्टिंग करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता वहाँ पर हम उसी का स्ट्रोक उसके डिसजॉइंट नियर टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड रिलेटेड वर्ड पे लगाते हैं। पढ़ेंगे तो समझ आएगा। एज एन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में क्या किया? पार्टी के लिए पी इंटरसेक्ट किया, ओनली पी। पॉलिटिकल की आउटलाइन बनाई, पल हाफ्ड ऑन द लाइन विद कल इंटरसेक्टिंग विद पी फॉर पार्टी। नेक्स्ट इज पार्टी क्वेश्चन। अब पार्टी के लिए हमने पी बनाया, ठीक है। दिस इज द रूल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर कि हमने पी एज फॉर पार्टी। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द लाइन एंड पी इंटरसेक्टिंग ऑन फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन सो दैट वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज इजीली कि पार्टी पहले आया है, पार्टी क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, अगर हम फर्स्ट हाफ में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं तो इट मीन्स कि वो इंटरसेक्टिंग वर्ड पहले आया है, और अगर हम एंड में करते हैं तो इट मीन्स कि ये इंटरसेक्टिंग वर्ड उस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रोक के बाद में आया है। ओके, क्लियर है। नेक्स्ट इज लेबर पार्टी, एज इन अगर हमने डिसजॉइंट भी किया यहाँ पर तो बाद में किया पार्टी को, है ना, तो इट मीन्स कि लेबर पहले आया है एंड पार्टी बाद में आया है। एल बर ऑन द लाइन फॉर लेबर, डिसजॉइंट पी इज यूज हियर फॉर पार्टी। Next is party bill. P on the line for party and bill, B through the line with upward L is used here for bill. When the word to be indicated by an alphabetical stroke is to be read first, the stroke is struck first and the rest of the outline is cut through or written in close proximity to it. The examples which follow illustrate the manner in which similar phrases may be dealt with. अभी हमने सिर्फ पार्टी का पढ़ा, इस पूरे चैप्टर में ऐसे बहुत सारे इंटरसेक्शंस दिए गए हैं जो हमें लर्न करने हैं कि कौन सी चीज़ हम, कौन सा स्ट्रोक हम किस इंटरसेक्शंस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। P is employed to represent party as in birthday party, B upward R, the day, D, or intersecting with P for party. Next is children's party, chal through the line dar with N circle, P intersecting it, ठीक है, for party. Garden party, gar half for D and N above the line and intersecting with P for garden party. Parliamentary party, per on the line, L upward, R upward, P intersecting with it for party. पार्टी गवर्नमेंट, अभी तक लास्ट में आ रहा था पार्टी तो हम उसका लास्ट वाला हिस्सा इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे थे, अब स्टार्टिंग में आ गया तो हमने वी पे इंटरसेक्ट नहीं किया, गे पे इंटरसेक्ट किया, जिससे हमें ये पता चलेगा कि ये स्ट्रोक पार्टी का जो इंटरसेक्टिंग स्ट्रोक है ये पहले पढ़ा जाएगा। ठीक है, पार्टी गवर्नमेंट, तो गवर्नमेंट बनाया, गे वी ऑन द लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग पी फॉर पार्टी, पार्टी गवर्नमेंट। ठीक है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, pal half for T and kal on the line intersecting with P for party. Next is PR, पर जिसे कहेंगे, is employed to represent professor. Professor के लिए क्या? P with R hook is used for professor, intersection in intersecting part. Okay, next is Professor Jackson, JKS circle N above the line for Jackson and per is intersecting here for professor. Next is Professor Morgan, M upward R gay N intersecting with per above the line for professor. Professor Peak, अब यहाँ पर इंटरसेक्टिंग करना इजी नहीं है, तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे, प्रॉक्सिमिटी मीन्स उसके साथ ही हम उसे बना देंगे डिसजॉइन करते हुए. पर ऑन द लाइन एंड पीक पी थ्रू द लाइन विद के, पीक. Essential vowel is used here for peak. Okay, next is professor of chemistry. KMS circle ter on the line and per is intersecting with it for per, professor. Next is professor of commerce. K mer MR M with R hook with a circle above the line and PR intersecting here for professor. Professor of music, MS circle K on the line, intersecting per is used here for professor. Next is B is employed to represent the following. बी के काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, एज इन यूज इन बैंक, बैंकमेंट एंड बिल. वो हमें पढ़ने से पता चल जाएगा कि किसके लिए इंटरसेक्ट हुआ है. देयर इज़ नो कन्फ्यूजन इन इट. नेक्स्ट इसका एग्जाम्पल पढ़ लेते हैं. बैंक बिल्स, बी ऑन द लाइन फॉर बैंक एंड disjoint B, another B through the line L as circle for bank bills. Next is Bank of England, NG downward L with N hook halved for England on the line, B intersecting for B. Bank passbook, P as circle B and K. Pass above the line है बनता हुआ, through the line complete होगा and B for bank intersecting here. Oh sorry, disjoint here. Bank rate, R upward T on the line, bank intersecting here for B intersecting here for bank. Next is Citibank, city through the line बनाया and B intersecting here for bank. Mercantile bank, okay, M R hook K half for T and hook for L, B intersecting at the last for as in mercantile bank. Okay, penny bank, P N on the line intersecting here B for bank. Savings bank, S circle V N G S circle on the line, B intersecting here at the last for bank. Next is bankment, as in C bank, C embankment. तो embankment के लिए हम क्या बना रहे हैं, B ही intersect कर रहे हैं और M का जो M है वो लगा है. bankment के लिए हम B ही intersect कर रहे हैं, तो वो embankment जो ऐड हुआ है C का S बनाया थ्रू द लाइन, M बनाया embankment का फर्स्ट M एंड B intersecting here for bankment. क्लियर है. Thames embankment, T MS circle MS circle, another M for embankment and B intersecting here for bankment. Next is bill, as in finance bill, FN hook with NS circle, N with S circle through the line and bill intersecting in the last for bill. ठीक है. Education bill, D K shan hook, B intersecting at the last for bill. Next is T is employed to represent attention. अब T intersect करेंगे किसके लिए, attention के लिए, as in best attention, best बनाया on the line, T intersecting here for attention. Careful attention, कर F through the line जाएगा on the line बनते हुए and T intersecting here for attention at last. Early attention, downward R upward L and T intersecting here for attention. Early attention to the matter, same outline as in early attention, उसके साथ M doubled joined कर देंगे for matter, to the matter. Okay, next is my attention has been called. M बनाया my के लिए, attention intersecting here, has का circle, been के लिए B and कल have for called. क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट इज नेसेसरी अटेंशन, N double S circle upward R, T intersecting here for attention. Special attention, S circle P on the line and T intersecting here for attention. Your attention, downward R on the line, T intersecting here for attention. Next is D is employed to represent department. नेक्स्ट इज डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. ठीक है, एग्रीकल्चरल डिपार्टमेंट आता है तो डिपार्टमेंट का डी बाद में लगता है. अगर पहले आया डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर तो डी पहले इंटरसेक्ट होगा, एज इन गर कल एंड चर चर above the line agriculture and D intersecting here for department. Next is electrical department. डाउनवर्ड L, K and कल on the line and डिपार्टमेंट के लिए D intersecting here. इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट N, J, N with R hook ner and NG इंजीनियरिंग बन गया and D intersecting here for department. Foreign department F, upward R with N hook above the line, D intersecting here for department. Government department A, B on the line intersecting D is used here for department. Life department L upward, F above the line, D intersecting here for department. Shipping department ish through the line, P with ing का dot here, D intersecting here for department. Silk department S circle through the line लेते हुए upward L, K D intersecting here for department. Next is J is employed to represent chancery as in chancery appeal. P upward, L upward above the line, P L upward above the line intersecting with J for chancery. Chancery proceedings. J per S circle, D N G S circle. J is intersecting here for chancery. Next is chancery judge. J on the line and judge. Double J is used here for judge. Into chancery. N T through the line. Chancery. J is used here for chancery. J is employed to represent journal as in Journal of Commerce. K M with R hook S circle above the line. J is intersecting here for journal. Journal of Education. D K sham hook and intersecting J is used for journal. Medical journal M half for D and cull is used here on the line and J is intersecting here for journal. School journal S cull on the line for school and J intersecting for journal. Textile journal T K S circle T upward L is used here and J is intersecting here for journal. Weekly journal through the line start करेंगे. Week जैसे लिखते हैं upward L is used here and intersecting J is used here for journal. Next is K is employed to represent the following. अब K के भी क्या है, चार एग्जाम्पल हैं. as in used in a company, council, capital and captain पढ़ेंगे. barber and company B upward R bar above the line, K intersecting here for company. carriage company K upward R J above the line, K intersecting here for company. Delivery company dull on the line, K intersecting here for company. Gas company limited G S circle intersecting K is used here, disjoint K is used here for company and upper L is used here for limited above the line. Malleable iron company limited M upward L bull for malleable and iron downward R with N hook and intersecting K for company and upward L is used for limited. क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट इज वीविंग कंपनी लिमिटेड. थ्रू द लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. वे अपवर्ड और वे हुक एंड एनजी का डॉट intersecting K for company and upward L is used here for limited. Next is council as in borough council. B upward R on the line and K intersecting here for council. Cabinet council K B N above the line with T through the line here. Cabinet council intersecting K is used here for council. Next is councils of party. ठीक है, पार्टी का भी हमने पी पढ़ा था. दोनों इंटरसेक्शंस यूज नहीं कर सकते, हमें एक स्ट्रोक चाहिए इंटरसेक्शन के लिए. ठीक है, या तो काउंसिल की आउटलाइन बनाएंगे या पार्टी की आउटलाइन बनाएंगे. तो हमने यहाँ पे पार्टी की आउटलाइन बनाई है. ठीक है, काउंसिल्स के एस सर्कल इंटरसेक्टिंग विद पी upward R and T above the line. Councils of party. County council K N and down T K intersecting here for council. Parish council P upward R ish above the line, K intersecting here for council. Party councils same है, P upward R T above the line and K S intersecting here for councils. Privy council per through the line, V intersecting here with K for council. Town council T and N hook through the line, K intersecting here for council. Next is capital. Authorized capital id R upward SD circle above the line, K intersecting here for capital. Next is capital charge, J upper R, J above the line, K is intersecting here for capital. ठीक है. Next is capital expenditure, disjoint here, K disjoint with expenditure on the line. On the line बनती है expenditure की outline, K as circle, P half with N hook on the line. ठीक है. Next है capital punishment, P with N hook on the line for punishment is used here, and K intersecting for capital. Capital receipts, R a circle, T with a circle on the line intersecting K is used here for capital. Share capital, ish downward R is used here, and K intersection is used here for capital. Next is captain, as in Captain Cook, K disjoint with Cook, Cook on the line बनाएंगे, and captain is disjoint here for captain. Captain Dixon, Dixon D through the line, K a circle, N for Dixon, and K for captain is intersecting here. Captain in the army, downward R, M above the line for army, and K is intersecting here for captain. Captain of the ship, through the line ish with P for ship, and intersecting K is used for captain. Captain of the team, T through the line with M for team, and captain, K is intersecting here for captain. Ships captain, same outline है, ish through the line, P S circle as in ships, and K intersecting here for captain. Clear है. Next है KR is employed to represent the following for colonel and corporation. ठीक है. इसके लिए कर ही यूज होगा, कर्नल के लिए भी कर ही यूज होगा. As in कर्नल एंडरसन, एंडरसन बनाने के लिए एन डबल and a circle with another N is used above the line here, and disjoint कर is used for colonel. Next is Colonel Jackson, J K a circle, N above the line, and intersecting कर is used for colonel. Corporation, investment corporation, N B a circle, T intersecting here कर for corporation. Corporation of Leeds, through the line से बनेगा L upward, D a circle, Leeds, and intersecting कर is used here for corporation. Next is G is employed to represent government, as in British government. Bar half on the line, through downward ish is used here, and intersecting A is used here for government. French government, FR with N hook, J, and intersecting A is used for government. Government official, F and ish upward with L hook above the line for official, and G intersecting A is used here for government. Municipal government, M N S circle, P upward L is used here, and G is intersecting here for government. Next is F is employed to represent form, as in entry form, enter on the line, and F intersecting here for form. Form of acknowledgement, K N J M half for T with N hook on the line, and F is intersecting here for form. Next is form of agreement, agreement के लिए GAR above the line, M half for T with N hook, and F is intersecting here for form. Form of bequest, B on the line, quest, क्वे बनाकर ST का loop, F is intersecting here for form. Next is form of government, G and V on the line for government here. मैंने आपको बताया दो intersections use नहीं हो सकती, and F is intersecting here for form. Form of the report, R upward P, R upward halved is used here on the line for report, and F intersecting here for form. Medical form, M half for D with cull on the line, F it is intersecting here for form. Necessary form, N double S circle upward R, F is intersecting for form. Next is V is employed to represent valuation, as in low valuation. Clear? L upward is used here, and valuation intersecting with V on the line. Valuation of the property, per with another P upward R T. Valuation is cut at the starting of the property, as in valuation is in the starting of it. So V is intersecting here for valuation. Valuation of the site, site above the line, a circle T, okay, cut with valuation, and site valuation, a circle T, So disjoint here with B for valuation. Next is TH माने id is employed to represent the following for authority and month. Clear है? As in authority of the manager, M and jar above the line for manager and intersecting with the id. ठीक है. Authority of the representative, R upward P with B hook on the line intersecting with the id. Authority it. क्लियर है. लीगल अथॉरिटी L थ्रू द लाइन जाते हुए गर्ल इंटरसेक्टिंग विद इथ. लोकल अथॉरिटी सेम आउटलाइन है बस ऑन द लाइन है अपर एल कल इंटरसेक्टिंग विद इथ फॉर अथॉरिटी. मिलिट्री अथॉरिटीज M on the line upward L halved, upward R is used here for military and it with S military authorities. Okay, next is sanitary authority, S circle N T upward R above the line with intersecting with it at the end for authority. Well known, W hook with upward L on the line and with N hook. Clear है. Intersecting it with it for authority. Written R halved for T with N stroke and intersecting with it for authority. Next is month, as in for a month. F above for बनता ही है above the line intersecting it with it for month. In a month's time, in above the line बना months बनाया intersecting it with id, a circle with TM for time. Okay, many months ago, MN for many on the line. It is used here for months, a circle with a circle and gay for ago. Next is some months ago, a circle M on the line for some. It intersecting here with a circle for months and with gay for ago. Next is S is employed to represent society, as in dramatic society. Der above the line M half for T with K intersecting with S stroke. Clear है? Above the line for society. Next is Hearts of Oak Society. Achkatic downward R halved with a circle with K. Hearts of Oak बन गया intersecting with S stroke for society. Medical society M half for D with curl intersecting with S stroke for society. Society of compositors. P S circle ter with S circle compositors बन गया S intersecting here for society. Society of musicians M with S circle with shun hook with another circle within. There is a intersecting here for a society with S stroke. Temperance society T with MP on the line and S stroke intersecting here for society. Next is M is employed to represent the following for mark and major, as in auditor's mark D with ter with a circle above the line बनाते हुए intersecting with M for mark. High water mark, high above the line ter is used for water, as in बीच का वो जो हम W medial W सीखा था वो यूज हुआ है यहाँ पर, शो नहीं किया. And mark intersecting here for as for M. ठीक है. A low water mark L upward ter intersecting M here is used for mark. Mark of respect R upward S circle P on the line, M is intersecting here for mark. Official mark F shall upward above the line, M is intersecting for mark. Private mark per with V hook T above the line से start होगा, M intersecting here for mark. Save the earth S circle B D का tick, save the M intersecting here for mark. To mark time, 2 का tick M mark. Mark is used here as in M stroke with intersecting with T and M. Next is major. ठीक है, मेजर का भी हम यूज करेंगे. मेजर एंड सन बनाया above the line N circle S and another N, or disjoint M is used for here for major. Next is major general J with N hook on the line intersecting M is used for major. Major Jones सेम है, JNS circle on the line for Jones and M is intersecting here for Major. This is Sergeant Major Jones. S circle, R upward, J halved, and M for Major is used here above the line, and Jones on the line, J with NS circle. Next is N is employed to represent national affair. N से इसको intersect करेंगे, affair F above the line, downward R is used here and intersecting with N for national bank. Clear है? N intersecting with B above the line for national bank. National defense, D F hook, N with S circle, defense, and N is intersecting here for national. A national desire, DS circle, downward R is used here for desire, and N is intersecting here for national disaster, DS circle, S stroke is doubled here, and N intersecting for national dividend, through the line D with V hook, another D with N hook, halved for dividend. N is intersecting here for national. Next is national finance, through the line F N hook, N circle, N stroke with S circle for finance, and N is intersecting here for national. Next is national reserve, R through on the line R, S upward R, S circle, another upward R with V hook for reserve, and N is intersecting here for national revenue, R upward, V N with U diphthong on the line for revenue, and N intersecting here for national society, N intersecting with S stroke on the line is used here for national society. Okay, next is L is employed to represent the following. For liberal limited, okay, as in liberal club, Kal with B on the line for club, and L is upward L is used here for intersecting liberal party, L intersecting with P, simple है, liberal party, and this is liberal policy. जहाँ पर इंटरसेक्शन दोनों यूज होने की पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं वहीं दी गई हैं, ठीक है, जहाँ पर नहीं है, किसी चीज़ से क्लैश होता है तो वहाँ पर नहीं दी गई है. लिबरल पॉलिसी, P upward L with S stroke above the line for policy is used here, and L is intersecting here for liberal discount, D through the line S circle, K halved for T with N hook, and intersecting L is used for liberal payment, P M halved for T with N hook on the line for payment, and L intersecting here for liberal view, V through the line with U diphthong for view, and L is intersecting here for liberal. Next, limited, Peers limited, P downward R with a circle, Peers, and L intersecting here for limited. Lupin limited, through the line L P with N hook, and L is intersecting here for limited. Next is R downward, is employed to represent arranged, and arrangement in colloquial phrases like the following. Better arrangement, B on the line ter, downward R is used here, intersecting downward R is used here for arrangement. I shall arrange, ओके, अरेंज के लिए भी यूज होगा, अरेंज्ड के लिए भी यूज होगा, और अरेंजमेंट के लिए भी यूज होगा, इंटरसेक्टिंग डाउनवर्ड आर, एज इन आई शेल अरेंज, आई शेल ऑन द लाइन बनाया, इंटरसेक्टिंग डाउनवर्ड आर इज यूज हियर फॉर अरेंज. इफ यू कैन अरेंज, ये सब हमने फ्रेजेस पढ़े हुए हैं, ठीक है. इफ यू कैन पढ़ा हुआ है थ्रू द लाइन, और intersecting downward R is used for arrange. Next is it was arranged, simple है, it was arranged. Please make arrangement, pull through the line a circle M K, arrangements, downward R with a circle is used here for arrangements. We will arrange the matter, way upward way on the line, and will, and downward R for arrange, and M doubled for matter. Next is R upward is employed to represent the following. R upward किस किस के लिए यूज होता है? रेलवे. Next is required, required, and requirement, as in metropolitan railway. M halved upward R, P intersecting with upward R for railway, metropolitan railway. Railway company, upward R intersecting with K for company, and railway is used here for upward R. Clear है? Railway facilities, F S circle upward L with T with S circle above the line. Railway is intersecting here, upward R with upward R. Clear है? Next is railway official. Official की outline मैंने बताई है, above the line, intersecting with upward R for railway. Next is railway rates, upward R T with a circle on the line, disjoin here. Railway is used, intersecting form use नहीं होगी, upward R disjoint form में use होगा. Railway ticket, T through the line, K half for another T, and R upward intersecting here for railway. Next is railway time, T M above the line time, and upward R intersecting here for railway. Railway timetable, T above the line, M half for another table का T, and bulb. ठीक है, railway का intersecting upward R is used here. Requirement as in to meet the requirements. To का tick, M half for T and the का tick, and requirements के लिए upward R with S circle. ठीक है, for requirements. Do you require, D on the line, U का diphthong, and upward R is used here for require. If he required, through the line, F he का tick, if he पढ़ा है हमने, upward R is used here for required. Last is SR upward is employed to represent conservative, as in SR जब हम यूज करेंगे तो वो किसके लिए रिप्रेजेंट होगा? कंजर्वेटिव के लिए. एस विद अपवर्ड आर. ठीक है, तभी अप लिखा है यहाँ पर. कंजर्वेटिव क्लब, क्लब बनाया एंड इंटरसेक्टिंग इट विद एस आर अपवर्ड फॉर कंजर्वेटिव. नेक्स्ट इज कंजर्वेटिव गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, दोनों ही इंटरसेक्शंस यूज हुए हैं यहाँ पे. SR above the on the line intersecting with gay for conservative government. Next is conservative party, SR on the line intersecting with P, conservative party. Next is conservative policy, P above the line, L with S stroke intersecting with SR upward for conservative. So this is the 35 chapter intersections. और इससे related videos जो हैं उसकी आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिक्टेशन मिलेगी. सो दिस इज द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर कि इस चैप्टर में हमने क्या पढ़ा. एन इंटरसेक्शन इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एलोकेटिंग अ डेफिनेट वर्ड और वर्ड्स टू एन अल्फाबेटिक स्ट्रोक व्हेन इंटरसेक्टिंग और रिटन इन क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी टू अनदर स्ट्रोक एज फॉलोज. इसमें फटाफट से हम एक बार ही कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं कि किस साउंड से किस स्ट्रोक को बनाना है. P for party, PR for professor, B for bank, bankment and bill, T for attention, D for department. यही सारा पढ़ा है हमने. J for chancery, J for general, K for company, council, capital and captain. Okay, KR for colonel and corporation. ठीक है. G for government, F for form, V for valuation, id माने ith authority and month. ठीक है. S for society, M for mark and major, N for national, L for liberal and limited, R downward for arrange, arranged and arrangement, R upward for railway, require, required and requirement, and S circle with upward R is used for conservative. सो ठीक है, आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.